Dear viewers, in this video I will talk about the benefits of chanting Om. Om, it's a matrix sound. What does it mean? Matrix, that means it can produce all the sounds that you can hear. It's a sound that has power to generate every sound. How? The basic sound oo, and ma. That means it the first sound it purify your body, means physical level it purify the body of the speaker, one who speaks or one who chants this the greatest mantra Om. The first level, on the level of your physical body, it purify. The second, which is your emotional body, the oo sound, then after oo sound, oo sound purify your emotional body. भावमय शरीर, इन हिंदी वी कैन से दैट भावमय शरीर, हमारा शरीर केवल फिजिकल चीज़ों से नहीं बना है, इस हर एक शरीर के हर एक अंग में एक भाव है, फीलिंग्स। तो भावमय शरीर को भी प्योरीफाई करता है ये। And the third sound, which is ma, ma, that has role to purify your mental body. This is head, and in this is the head region. In this region our brain exists, which is the most complex organ in the world. Doctors have dissected almost all the organs and try to find out the various physiology and how does it work. But how does our brain work? It is yet a mystery. M sound, it purify the mental body or our mind. Our mind is not lies only the head, even the spinal cord, it also a part of our mind. So our mind is not only in our head, in our whole body, there is our mind. हमारा शरीर केवल इस स्कल के अंदर नहीं है, पूरा शरीर ही एक मस्तिष्क है। Only this sound, it purify your body, heart and mind. What is the meaning of purification? In which context I am using the word purification? Purify, that means removing the negative effects, and negative factors. Now I am defining what is the sense of negative. There must be a sense of positive, otherwise there is no sense of negative. जब तक हम पॉजिटिव को डिफाइन ना करें तब तक हम नेगेटिव नहीं कर सकते कि किन चीज़ों को हम नेगेटिव कहते हैं. हमारे शरीर में बहुत सारी ऐसी, इन आवर बॉडी देयर आर many toxic substance which is formed during the function of body. Those toxic substance creates problem, disease in various level. All those toxic substance can easily be removed by the chanting Om. And once it is removed, then we store the positive energy in our body. The first function of Om, or the first benefit of Om, is the removal of all the toxic materials, toxic substance in our body. The second, at the level of emotion which is connected to heart. Already I have said bhavamay sharir. Our body is made up of feelings. अगर आपके अंदर कोई भी फीलिंग्स ना हो तो आपका शरीर का एग्जिस्ट करना मुश्किल है. फीलिंग्स ज़रूरी है. तो हमारे अंदर कुछ अच्छे फीलिंग्स और कुछ बुरे फीलिंग्स अटैच हो जाते हैं हमारे बॉडी से, हमारे माइंड से. एंड दोज फीलिंग्स क्रिएट्स पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव इफेक्ट on our body and our mind. All these three bodies, physical body, emotional body and mental bodies, are connected. Once our emotional body is disturbed by any other factor, negative factor, it will create a negative effect on our body. To purify the emotional level, the O in Om sound, U sound helps. Om. And now the Ma sound. Ma, Om, M. The last end with M, which lies in the mental region, mental in the head. That means head. हम सोचने का सारा काम मस्तिष्क से करते हैं. तो what is the negative effect? Already I have said it remove all the negatives or negativities of our physical, emotional and mental. How it removes the mental negativities? M sound creates a vibration in our mind, as U sound creates the vibration in our heart region, and A is the basic center of body. M sound stops the negative thoughts. What is the meaning of negative thoughts? That creates anxiety, that creates that has less power. Every thought has its own power, and the less powerful thought can be considered as negative thoughts. That has harmful effect on our body. It just keep away those thoughts forcefully. The most important thing is forcefully, not technically. There are so many techniques you can learn removing this, but all the techniques just there is no sense, there is not in use. But this is the ultimate tool by which you can remove all the negative thoughts. That's why here the only a part of the benefit is explained. I could explain only uh, not even 1/10 part of it. Its benefit is innumerable. No one can count the benefits of Om, and even no can it can never be explained. It is uh, it is much better to experience than explain. Thank you.